You should have one page of your CV and it should contain everything in bullet points. There should not be full sentences and all that. I think everyone already knows that. But even then, most of the people do not actually follow that. Even now, I see that the majority of the CVs, they still have complete sentences and they have, a lot of noise. We actually don't want that. We want short sentences and, just one page is enough, especially for freshers. If you have a lot of projects and they are interesting projects, then sure, go ahead with 2 pages. But if you're going with 2 pages, you should have complete 2 pages. So that is one very common thing that almost everybody knows, but very few people actually follow. Apart from that, when you are talking about the CV, you have various sections in that. You have your, work experience section. It can have your internships or anything that you have done related that has actually worked in the industry, even your own projects or anything at all. Then you have your project section, which you have done, but they are not related to the industry. They are your own projects that you have coded yourself or programmed yourself and worked on them. Apart from that, you have your education, your roles and responsibilities, positions of responsibilities, and all those sections. So the most important here is the work experience section and the project section. So people, what they do is they actually put their projects there. It is good, but they don't actually explain what they have achieved from the project. So that is extremely important.